So hello everyone, this is a HatchPro 40 capacity incubator fully automatic. This video we have making in the English. We have the Hindi version also, you can check on the YouTube. So in this video we are following these steps. We are like telling you about the HatchPro fully automatic, how to use this machine. First step is the wiring and installation. Second is about temperature sensor position, how to place egg, how to check egg turning, TST20 controller settings, about air ventilation, how to maintain humidity, when to stop the turning, place hatching reel like in last 3 days, what to do, when to remove the chicks from machine. These are basic things the customer asks again and again, so we are making this video. Please go through the steps, and if you want to skip the video you can skip through the following steps. Okay, and this is another thing is we are discussing in how to maintain the humidity. That is the 7th step. This is the description how to maintain the humidity 40. So let's starting the video, and first step is wiring and installation part. So whenever the machine received by you, there comes in the bottom part. These are the top, and these are the egg rollers, and the one user manual which comes to, and the one first is the hatching reel. Okay, the wire two, you will receive the two wires with the machine. One is this adapter cable, 12 volt DC adapter cable, and this is the power cable. Okay, so this is the adapter cable, this is the power cable. So you need to attach. So you need to attach both the wires with the machine. It is mandatory to attach both the wires. So people are get confused that only need to attach this power cable, this 12 volt DC adapter. No, please don't think about that thing. You need to attach both the wires. It is mandatory to attach both the wires with the machine, so the machine will work fully. Okay, so this is the requirement for the machine to run the heaters and the motor. This required for this controller and the fan. Okay, so these requires are mandatory. Another thing, there is a one motor wire is there. You can see there is a one coupler end of this motor wire, and there is one wire coming from the top. You have to couple it with the motor wire. The wire coming from the, you have to couple it. This is the 3 things you have to do in the wiring section. Okay, so this is a basic very easy to use machine. Only the thing is that the both wires are mandatory. Okay, another thing you need to do is you have to place the rollers at the position. I will tell you how to place the rollers, okay, and how to place the eggs. And the about temperature sensor position is I will tell you. First I will tell you how to place the egg, how to place these rollers. Okay, so how to place the rollers. There are total of 8 rollers are there, both have the same length. Okay, so how to place it. So there are 2 slots at the first, 1 slot, then 3 slots, 1 slot, 3 slot. So first or second slot you have to place the roller at the first slot. Then in there is only 1 slot, you have to place it over there. If there are 3 slots are there, you have to place this roller in the middle. Then in 1 slot, then in middle slot. So you have to place like this. Okay, simple is you have to this is a roller. So you have to place it simple like this. This is the only method. Very easy to assemble these rollers. The total are 8 rollers. This is a setting is for the big eggs like chicken, duck, everything. If you want to place more big eggs, you can increase the gap between these rollers. Okay, you can remove the rollers also if you have more big eggs. Okay, but for the main the settings for all the like chicken eggs, this is the setting. Okay, you have to maintain the gap between the rollers. So that's the 8 rollers are there. So if you have a small eggs, you can just decrease the gap between the rollers also. So this is a multi-purpose tray we have including into this. So this is a multi-purpose one. And you need if you have small eggs, you need a more roller also. You can also if you're placing the order research, you can tell us that you are going to have the smaller eggs like quail one and etc. So you can get the purchase extra rollers with this machine. But right now only the 8 rollers is coming according to the chicken and the normal eggs. Okay, a standard eggs. Okay, and how to place the eggs then? If you have the eggs, just you have to place it like this only. This is a very easy method to place in this machine, and you can mark this cross sign with the help of a pencil, because when the turning happen, if you want to check the whether turning is happening or not, you can easily check whether this mark is moving or not. Okay, so this is the method how to assemble these rollers and how to place the eggs. It is very simple how to place like this direction, not like this, not like you have to place like this only. This is the very simple method how to assemble these rollers and how to place the eggs. So this is the motor wire. So motor wire which coupled with this, the wire coming from the top. Okay, so you can see we have placed the rollers, we have placed the eggs. Then we have attached these wires, attached the motor cable, then we are run the machine. Okay, so this is the way we can start the machine. This machine going to start. So this is the internal temperature of the machine right now, 37.7, 33.7, 43 humidity and 1 timer. Another thing I need to discuss about the temperature sensor position. So this in this machine, this is the temperature sensor. You can see this is the metal, small metal part is there. This we call as temperature sensor. It is a sensing inside this temperature inside the machine. So this sensor position should be at the bottom direction, in the downward direction, like you can see right now that this sensor position in a downward, and the position of the sensor is above the eggs. Okay, so it should be not touching the eggs. Please, whenever you receive the machine, please check the position of the sensor. It should be above these eggs and should be not like this. It should be in the downward direction only. Little bit upward is okay, little bit like this word is okay, but like this is not okay. It should be downward and should be above the eggs. Okay, because in the packaging sometimes the position of sensor is changing, so you need to put it downward side and should be above the eggs. It is this wires do not touch the eggs. Please check it. Sensor should not touch the eggs. Okay, so this is about the sensor. Okay, so I am going to next step. How to place, I already told you. How to check the egg turning. So whenever you receive the new machine, so if you want to check the turning, I have told you that people have lots of questioned that turning is happening continuously inside the machine. No, turning do not happening continuously. It happened after 120 minutes, every 2 hours for 2 minutes only the turning is happening. After 120 minutes, 2 hours, for 2 minutes only the turning is happening. In the 24 hours a day, 12 times the turning will happening. So you can't wait for 120 minutes to check the turning. So there is a button we have given to you. We have mentioned over there. Press once to enter the turning test run. This is the plus button. You need to. This is the second button, the plus button. You need to press one time. If you press it one time, you can see the two things happen. The timer LED is coming, and this settings are start. Seconds are start. Second 2 minutes seconds means 120 seconds started. So how to check it? You can see there is a at the. This is the motor end and this is the motor other end. You can see the shaft is rotating. You can see. So this you can just touch it and you can see that shaft is rotating. The motor is working properly right now, and you can see the eggs also. The eggs mark is up right now above. You can see the eggs are turning. 90 seconds are gone. So eggs are turning to this direction. Okay, leftward direction egg is turning. You can see. So egg will turn around from the 90 degree to 180 degree in the 2 minutes timing. You can see the egg is turning. So turning very slowly and carefully. This is a very good method to turn the egg. So we have using this mechanism. Yeah, you can see the egg is turning beautifully. Yeah, very slowly. There is no issue with the egg going to. There is no issue is going to with the eggs. The turning is like this. You can see it's beautifully turning very slowly. Okay, so I've told you how to check the turning. So you can see right now the 42 seconds are pending also. So turning is happening. Once this 42 seconds gone, the turning will stop and the 2 hours time will start. Okay, so this is the method how to check the turning. Another thing is how to check the TST20 controller settings. TST20 controller settings. How to check the settings inside the controller. Okay, I will switch off the machine and switch it on. Okay, so once the machine is received by you, if you want to check the settings of the machine and you are like thinking that what that settings to be done inside the machine, please consider it. We are doing the factory setting from dispatching our product from our warehouse, from our manufacturing factory. We are doing the settings with the machine. But if you want to check the setting, you have to press the set button one time. Press and hold the set button one time. You can see the setting of the machine 37.1 actually have changed. So actually by standard the setting is around 37.7. Okay, no need to change it. Actually I have already changed the setting in some video, so that's why the setting 37.2, but the actual default setting 37.7. If you click on the OK button one time, the setting right now is 60%. Okay, and again if you click on the OK button, the setting right to 120 minutes. So no need to change any settings. Actually the settings will be look like this. If you want to click on set button, 37.7, humidity 60%, timer 120 minutes, and this the settings is now is okay. So you can check the setting in this way. In the user manual also, this is a chart is there. The settings are mentioned over there for chicken 37.7, humidity 60%. On the turning is around 120, that is standard one. So this is how to check the settings. We are doing the pre-settings from our factory, so no need to change the settings. If you want to change the setting, you can click on the set button and check the setting 37.7, 60 and 120 minutes. Okay, done. So this is the way how to check the setting with this machine. There's a TST20 control, very good controller, and there is a one candling torch also there. Inbuilt candling torch is coming with this control. If you want to use it, click on the minus button one time. It will start the candling. If you switch on the, if you want to switch off this, you click on the once again minus button. Okay, done. So the TST20 controller setting is also done. Then about the next method is about the air ventil. One more thing I just want to tell you that so this is once you switch on the machine, like okay, the temperature will start to rise and it will goes to 37.7 and it will rise up to 37.7 and up goes maximum 38.2 and 38.3. Okay, and because we are, and if you want to just check the, if you want to check something inside the machine, please switch off the machine first and remove the upper part and check the eggs. If you want to like this, if you want to check something inside the machine about the eggs, and you can just stop the machine first, then unplug this wire and just remove the top. Don't use the machine with the machine running and you are just opening it. Don't do this. Please stop the machine first and remove the upper part and then check the eggs. Okay, don't don't run the machine when you keep checking the eggs. Okay, this is the method to how to check the eggs. Okay, I will then again assemble this part. So this is the method to check the eggs. Just this is the thing, whenever you start the machine, it will show the current temperature right now 36.3. it will start increasing. You can see the temperature will increase to 37.7 and goes up to 38.1 and then decrease to 37.7 again. The heater will start again. So this is the method that this machine will follow. Right now you can see the temperature is increasing. You can see, so it is working properly. The temperature is increasing. Okay, 36.6, then 36.7. Okay, then the temperature is increasing. Okay, so next step is about air ventilation. We have gauged this. People are asking about the where is the air ventilation hole. This is the air ventilation hole and there are some little gaps are there. So we have given this for purposely to maintain the this ventilation and air and for the oxygen level inside the machine. So don't worry about these holes are open or not. So these are for the ventilation purposes only. Next thing is how to maintain the humidity. So for the humidity, you have to follow these steps. How to maintain the humidity in 40 egg incubator. So this is the step. So run the machine for 1 hour without the water. Once the machine received by you, run the machine without water and without the eggs. And when the temperature reaching a 37.7 value, then only check the humidity, because this is the humidity we have mentioned in the user manual. For the first 18 days you need to maintain between, mostly for eggs, 55 to 65%. So whenever this value is when the temperature reaching the 37.7 value. Okay, so right now whenever you start the machine, when the temperature increases to 37.7, then check the humidity at point. Right now the humidity is around 41%. Then you need to add water inside the machine. We are giving this water bottle. Just add the water inside this bottle. There are 3 holes are there for adding the water. For first time you need to add the water in the middle hole only. Just add the water inside this hole. Cut this from front, because with the new kettle there is no hole out there. Right now the hole is there. Actually we cut it from the top. Just put the water inside it and just place this and just keep pressing it. The water will go inside, and just for first time add only 1/4 of this water inside this hole to maintain the humidity. Once you add the this water inside this hole, the humidity will goes rise. After 10 to 15 minutes, please check the humidity. If the humidity not increase above 55%, then again add the little bit more water inside this hole, for middle hole. No need to add the water in these 1 or 3 holes, because mostly the humidity is maintained by middle hole only. Okay, so this is the way how to maintain the humidity in the machine. Okay, so this is the steps. It's very easy to maintain the humidity while the machine. First check the humidity. If the humidity is not, right now our humidity is 41%. If in your case if the humidity is already 55-56%, then no need to add the water inside the machine. Okay, so this is the method how to maintain the humidity. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box. Okay, then we are moving to next step. Okay, next step is when to stop the turning and place hatching grill. So there is a one hatching grill this coming with the machine. This how when you're using this, we are using this when the chicks are going to hatch. When the chicks are going to hatch, we have to move the eggs from to the hatching grill. So for the chicken and for the mostly in the user manual we have mentioned that for mostly birds, last 3 days of the hatching cycle we call it a hatching conditions. So like chicken, the total time is 21 days. Before 3 days, like 21 minus 3, 18 days. After 18 days, you need to stop the turning. You need to unplug this wire and remove the rollers from the machine, and then you have to place this hatching grill and then to place the eggs. I will show you how to do it. So you can see that I have removed the top part and I have removed the eggs. So what to do after 18 days? I have unplugged this motor wire also. You have to remove these shafts like this. You have to remove this shaft and you have to take this hatching grill and have to place it like this. These are this bush going to be in the bottom side like this. You have to place the hatching grill and you have to place the eggs like this. Okay. You have to place all the eggs, place the top again, then start the machine, and I will tell you the next step what to do. Okay, so this is the method how to stop the turning. We have removed the rollers and place the hatching grill and place the eggs. Okay. So you can see I have placed the hatching grill and placed the eggs over there. So what to do next? In the user manual also mentioned after 18 days you need to decrease the temperature of the machine 37 to increase the humidity. Okay, what to do? Click on the set button one time. Set and hold the set button one time. It will show the temperature setting. Decrease it to 37.2. Okay, so this is a temperature setting after 18 days. Decrease it to 37.2. Click on the OK button again. Increase it to 65. Then again click on the OK button. Again click on the OK button. You can see right now so this is the temperature. Set temperature is 37.2. 65 humidity, and this is the thing you have to do after after 18 days, and for the quail after 15 days, because total cycle is 18 days. Okay, so this is the thing you need to do with the machine. This I have told you all the steps from the starting to the end. So last step is when to remove the chicks from the machine. So when your chicks came out, it is in the wet state. After 15 to 24 hours you can remove the machine. You can remove the chicks from the machine. In between, max is 24 hours. Before 15-16 hours you can remove the chicks. Don't wait to take out all the chicks, and you can remove the 5 to 10 chicks also from the machine. So use this machine. This is very good quality. Thank you all of you.